In this video, I'm going to talk about the best way to fix a basement floor that's basically just dirt and old, rough wooden boards that are falling apart and causing all kinds of mess and hazards. Alright, so here's the deal with your basement floor situation. You've got sand-like, super draining soil underneath, which is actually good because it means less moisture buildup, but those old barn floor style wooden boards on top are a nightmare. Splinters everywhere, uneven surfaces making you trip, and straight up impossible to clean because of all the sawdust and debris. Since you've got a finished carpeted room and your laundry plus tools down there, you want something sturdy, safe, and easy to clean. I'd say the easiest solution is to rip out those old boards completely. Yeah, I know it sounds like a pain, but covering them up just traps moisture and mold like you had before with the linoleum layers. Once the wood breathes on both sides, it's better, but covering it again will mess that up. After removing the boards, you can go with a few options. Pouring a concrete slab if you want durability and a level surface, or installing interlocking vinyl or rubber floor tiles that are moisture resistant and easy to maintain. If concrete feels like too much work or cost, consider using heavy-duty plywood sheets treated for moisture resistance as a subfloor, then add a laminate or vinyl plank flooring on top. This way, you keep things level and safe without major demolition. Also, keep running that dehumidifier. It helps a lot, even with sandy soil. And maybe add a vapor barrier between soil and your new floor to keep any dampness from sneaking in. Just remember, whatever you put down has got to be able to handle some humidity and be easy to sweep or mop, since dust and sawdust are your main enemies. One of the biggest mistakes people make with basement floors like yours is trying to cover old wood planks without removing them first. This often leads to hidden mold problems and wood rot because trapped moisture can't escape. Another common issue is ignoring floor leveling. Uneven floors can cause trips and twisted ankles, especially when you're carrying laundry or tools. Lastly, picking flooring materials that aren't moisture resistant is a bad call since basements naturally have some humidity, even with great drainage soil. This means vinyl or rubber tiles are usually better than carpet or untreated wood. To fix those mistakes, always pull out the old wood, level the surface properly, and choose flooring designed specifically for basements and moisture. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid resource for this kind of stuff, because it connects homeowners like you with trusted local contractors who know how to handle basement renovations right. Plus, if you're a contractor looking for work in your area, it's a great platform to find new clients easily.